Like a pet peeve of females is like bad comms sometimes. Like I'm not saying your girl's like that. I'm just saying in general.
Yeah.
It's like
long.
sometimes the comms just aren't high
I'm gonna
level.
dog for you.
No, I know. Like,
Short,
just
short.
tell me
Be
there's
short,
30.
be short. I'm gonna dog
Short,
short.
probably. Let's rush them short. Let's rush them short. Rush them.
They're flanking already. One short.
One enemy remaining.
Reyna was there. I don't know where she's at. I knifed her.
She could have been.
No, she was there. I knifed her. She's.
Wait, what?
I just saw it right here.
Give me, I don't wait.
I guess she really wasn't there.
What do you mean by comms? Like they don't say how they're feeling, or like they won't say certain things, like specifically like what they're. Like if you do something to piss them off, they will like just be mad and not calm exactly why they're mad and shit. It's like annoying. Like what? I'm fucking not a mind reader. I'm a caller. Let me call.
Yeah, let him call.
I hate that I said that.
When Tarek gets
Same
an
thing.
op, it's raps. Yeah, let me shut this kid down. But once he has an op, it's GG.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing. I have another
Send
thing.
it
Ready? You
again.
guys ready for this? Okay,
Yeah,
I'll give you another
Watch
one.
the shotguns short.
Mid, all five.
Five mid. I believe.
There's 4. I saw 4. One on
No, there's one top. Don't fucking doubt me.
That's her. So all question mark. My bad. Yeah, I'm gonna play short.
Anyways,
Call my eye.
Was that it?
5 mid is a huge pet peeve. These fucking ugly kids.
Call my eye.
Got the smoke. I'm smoking.
5
down.
mid?
CT.
That's that other
Gonna
one?
TP it out.
TP.
Flank.
Hey, John, you're
Upside.
muted.
Flanking short.
Heaven box.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Oh.
You are crazy if you think you're beating me like that. Crazy guys.
Wow.
Mid.
Feels good, doesn't it? Now do it again.
Think that goes.
See me, John? John, you're muted.
know what I mean?
John, you see me?
I didn't watch. I didn't see
You
it.
never see the crazy
Dude, okay,
shit.
okay, to be fair, I did see the ace today. The first
Nah,
round.
you're actually
first-
fake as fuck.
I am fake as fuck, so what?
That was insane, bruh. Don't see that? You're fake.
Okay, well they had 5 people in mid. I don't know who's fucking calling on that team, but we have no chance they're gonna do shit like that. Someone fucking turn on the streams.
Nice.
Down mid one.
One mid. I'll dog it. Oh,
I
nice.
sat him down.
There's one more B. Probably like 1A right
Now
now.
we see split.
Smoking drug.
Rob
Going
is-
long. Going
I'm
so
gonna dog
long.
this for you. Window. I'm dogging again.
No. Dude, I looked at radar. No! Good!
Smoking CT.
Okay, I need to not rage. Just don't rage.
Good
Just
backside.
don't
Back
rage.
Do the smoke.
Don't need to rage. 2 left.
Last
5.
player standing.
Oh.
Spike down. C.
No need. Okay,
try.
save. They're over rotating. If we fake a C split, they over rotate. Just do it this round.
Pay attention. Might learn something.
Save. I'll win us this round.
Fuck. If I can
Paul's
lose, I
LOL
probably still win the
ringtone.
round.
Strategy.
too.
LOL just subscribed.
I'm a turret mid.
He sprays me down.
So are we not
dog.
doing C split pressure?
Stimming and I'm going here. Right there.
Wait,
I'm
let me
knife
get that
out.
corner, Brim.
Hurting mid.
Beacon down.
Garage window, Killjoy. He has alarm bot or Molly right here.
Find you.
60? Oh, that's weird.
Happening right now.
He's peeking.
Nice.
Good big flank. Chill, guys.
Is this guy brain dead? He rushes the smoke.
Last player
Dude, just give me
standing.
my frenzy, man.
Spike down.
Okay. Listen to me very carefully. Me and Fate are gonna make noise A.
You can trust my boss.
And KO. Brim, you're gonna.
With Zebra?
Actually, yeah,
Of
Brim and Reyna are
course
gonna
it
lurk.
is.
So Brim, just lurk mid, and then. Yeah, Omen's gonna, or sorry, not Omen. Or Reyna's gonna lurk garage or C.
Can you flash long or something?
Stay sharp.
You need to pressure
I
these
can
guys
flash it
off.
for you guys.
I'm just gonna dog. One long. They're playing aggro over long control.
Bomb grenade out.
I hear camera on A.
We shouldn't go A. We should not go A.
I'm just holding.
No trip B. I think we go B. I think we go back B.
Nothing
We
in,
go
nothing
back
else.
B.
Yeah, don't go here. Don't go here.
You just throw smokes and
I'm
we
making
just go?
pressure. I'm making pressure.
I can't. I'm smoking now.
What?
Smoke's
Yeah,
down.
walk back.
Beacon here.
One long A still.
Cypher
Backside
back.
low.
Watch this. Watch this.
I'm
I have C-Link. Or Link.
Omen A-Link. I'm gonna re-smoke A-Link. guys.
Omen A-Link. Omen A-Link.
I have an eye front sight.
Good. I
One
can have your
was it.
garage now.
One enemy remaining.
He's running.
Like short.
All the guns, nice guys. Flawless fucking round. I'm not gonna call anymore. It's just too easy. So go ahead.
Go. We should go.
Alright, listen to me. Listen to me. Now we fake this C split, right? KO, you're gonna ult from garage, right? Turn off Killjoy. They're all
Eric has
gonna
a
panic
wop.
rotate, and our Reyna is gonna walk into A alone.
That's what
And then we're gonna run back A.
Eric's hopping
Okay?
sewers. We lost.
No, he won't.
You
He
need
won't.
nice
He won't.
shots.
As soon as
You should
we need
break
one
all
kill though. I
C
need
though.
someone C with me. No? Okay, never mind. Actually, I'll just turret it.
Yeah, Brim. So you.
I'm
You
smoking
should not
window.
dodge.
Knife it or ult it?
Knife. Or oh, I don't care.
Yeah, one way.
There. That was
One
he.
down.
Dude. Dude. No.
Wait,
Back
wait,
up.
No, cancel. One
Of course
guys.
he is opting A. Look at him.
No,
It's
he's
so
walking down.
cringe. This guy pulls out the
It
cringe
is
cannon.
Omen
Wait.
killed.
I knew
Who's our
it.
Omen? Is it fucking Timmy again?
Yeah, I think so.
Fucking piece of shit.
I couldn't see the Omen. I'm
I
sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
know
Listen.
it, dude.
Okay,
This
then
guy
play it
starts
B, play it
offing. It's
just
so
go B every time.
cringe.
Oh my kid.
It's just coin
I
flip
need
there.
a chill after this.
Where? See?
B.
Alright.
Everyone B.
I fucking knew Jet would off A, dude. Fucking cares. Always op. I would
I
say
can ult
for
link.
op.
Alarm bot out.
Man, I can't even say anything. I used to be like that.
I have a.
I'm turning mid.
Don't you op too? Yeah, 3 years ago.
Bad comms is a giant
My
pet peeve
dog.
of mine for a dude. That's what I'm saying, right?
Launching smoke.
Turret out.
Op
Mid,
top
mid.
B.
120 right now.
Spike down mid.
In flash.
Bring them down.
Dog.
Let's A-Link, A-Flank.
I just got run shooting.
Last player
Window.
standing. Spike down mid. Team ace.
We're 123 to this Killjoy behind the smoke. Okay, these guys are reading us like a letter right now. I don't know what to do.
Go away.
Now they're gonna be heavy A though. That's the problem.
Can you just smoke here?
Okay, well.
Just smoke
There.
here. Smoke here and
Sure.
then dog sewers. And just run through the smoke long.
Where?
You gotta go fast. He's gonna go through the smoke.
There.
He's
Yeah,
gonna go through the
just
smoke
saying.
and go here.
Careful here.
With jet dash. So cringy, dude.
I'm gonna eye
Blacklisting
from
or the
long.
team
Dog
so
score.
42 just subscribed.
Step.
Placing swarm grenade. Bring them down. Swarm grenade.
Wait, he missed the long smoke.
He up jack top box. Top.
Placing swarm grenade.
I'll find you.
Smoking heaven CT.
God damn it.
Last player standing. Flawless.
You jump behind me.
I think we do it again.
Okay.
to be
Yeah,
honest.
we go again.
KO, rush sewer. Let's accept KO. You should go sewer with your ult. And then they're all turned off. They can't leave. And I'll molly them backside, and then they're stuck.
Wait, I can dog short.
Fade
and then
should
ult,
Fade should
right?
also Fade should also
Can
go
you smoke
short.
again?
And
But make sure
I
it
think molly
lands.
from
Yeah,
long.
make sure it lands on this side more.
Did he shoot through gap there?
Yeah, they can see over it.
Okay.
Just put it more
Yeah.
towards here and you're good.
Placing alarm
Lying
bot.
short.
Launching
Find
smoke.
you.
Stim beacon down.
I'm dogging this. Ulting outside.
In the smoke with a judge. Alright, 30. He's on the right side. He's on the right side. Right side of. He's in the smoke again. Nice.
Taking the bug at him.
Planning.
Get out of my way.
Can you protect
Oh,
that?
no.
Counter ult. Keep Grim ult.
Bring ulting in.
Heaven, out heaven, out heaven. Could be out.
TP.
Out.
Two weapon. One
Heaven hit 40. Heaven hit 40.
He's Reyna flashes. He has jet knives. Right side heaven. Jet knives.
Reloading.
Peek.
He's out.
Jumped
He
out.
dropped.
Jumped out. No more.
Molly.
She's bot.
They don't have a single
Drop
life
one.
worth saving. Need a drop. Thank you.
Can you eye long?
I think we should keep smoking this guy.
I don't have a
Can you
proper
eye?
map for
So
it,
do you know
but-
the eye for long or no?
Nah.
Is he gonna? Will he
Stand
keep
here,
short?
and then
He keeps
above
smoking?
the farthest left leaf.
Farthest left. Jump through.
Placing sentry.
Nope.
First left click.
So,
Don't smoke then, Brim.
I'm gonna get a line, Sam, but I'm not gonna hold the right.
flashing,
He just
yeah,
left.
fine.
Dim beacon here.
Cutting their vision.
Up. On. So fucked.
Cypher, I think.
I think
He had an
into
op?
me. Yeah.
Oh, he's on the right. He's
Nice.
nice. Right.
Are we committing to that?
Yeah, it's walk in. Come, Brim. Come. I don't think the Cypher fights.
Target
Flank.
destroyed.
It's
One
fine.
flank.
There's one more here.
Down and
Nice.
out.
Wait, what?
Smoking deep CT.
Killjoy's here.
heaven.
Chill. Let me walk in. Hold my right.
Plant the spike.
Hold his right. Spawn.
You walked
Here.
out the smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Deep knife.
Last
Long,
player
long.
standing.
Oh my god,
You're
Timmy, you
huge,
dog
but-
shit. Fucking piece of. You're so cool. This is cool guy.
Short.
Just communicate why you're upset.
Yeah,
Makes
we're
things
down.
simple rather than argue. I couldn't agree more, man. I don't know why people don't calm. It really pisses me off.
Probably stack
Good
res.
job, yeah.
Comms
Yeah.
are just as important in Valorant as they are in relationships.
You need garage pressure
Or-
real quick?
More,
Maybe-
just as important in relationships as
I
they
think
are
we
in
go
Valorant.
B.
Okay.
No, can you jump out window for me? He's gonna be opping top B.
Yeah. Watch out, Brim.
Keep it cool. That's how you
Kill him.
Are you
survive.
flashing mid? You want me to
There.
dog it?
Dim beacon here.
This guy's a fucking loser beyond belief.
Yep,
Updrafted.
I see.
I'm not.
Dark side, gong.
I dogged him. Dogging again.
I don't see
I
him.
think he went to ceiling.
He did.
One
Good
close
flank.
to
I have
Flank
ceiling
window.
front
Take
door.
really
flank
close.
window. Watch your window.
Can you resmoke AF?
They just subscribe.
Yeah, re-smoking A lane.
Side.
Smoke's down.
Window down. Could be coming out garage.
Out back front. Front side.
exactly.
TP.
Good done.
Crowd.
It was a confirmed TP. Not.
1 HP, 1 HP, Cypher.
Underscore
On
is
site.
underscore
1 HP on
Q.
Cypher.
He's in
Subscribe.
window. He has window. 50 almost. 50 almost.
Last player standing.
Oh, I love this gun!
Cypher's hit for 100 B.
Ezekiel
Right.
Wilmer just subscribed.
I don't understand this shit, bro. It just drops me like a dog, man.
Judge, I know. Just one pumps me.
I hate this shit, dude.
Hopper EST just subscribed.
Last round before the switch.
Alright, let's see split.
Try it.
I don't even think that's Dazzner. That is
just
just a
C-split,
regular
let's just
guy.
C-split.
That's a coin flip.
We'll just KO ult and all of his Killjoy shit goes down garage.
On my
and
way.
C.
We need C players though, and you
Do
also
you need
one way
me
C.
garage?
Same. I think you need to go C.
I'll
so you
go
can
C
off
long.
the flash. He
Free
one way C
virus
long, so you have
downloading
to
the
flash
5
right away.
Ezekiel just
I'll turret here.
subscribed.
I'm gonna stim you guys. Smoke garage window and then go long.
KO up this shit.
Nice.
Smoking top C.
Jungle underscore
Isn't that
just
close
subscribed.
corner? Oh my god.
I'm running through.
I'm going out. 80.
Spike down. C.
Yo.
Player
Gang, what's
standing.
wrong?
Rise
Sam.
Land just
Yeah.
subscribed.
Fine.
He didn't
we got
stop
5 rounds.
running.
He really got
stop.
all
He
three
didn't
of us,
stop
though.
running, and he just killed 3 people.
Switching sides.
Yeah.
I'll teach him to respect their
Holy fucking Riot Games! Get your head out of your asses and fucking do something about this, dude.
They have 2
Rice
sentinels.
Farmer Kenny just subscribed.
Alright, that double send, we win. 11 kills on coin flip. 6 of
kidding
them
me?
being the judge.
Filst 3R just subscribed.
Unbelievable, actually.
You knife it?
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm not here from there.
I'll smoke mid window.
Killjoy Cypher 2 so annoying, dude.
Smoke's down.
4A.
Reloading.
I'm giving upside.
Maybe Brim stay. Someone's
Maybe you
flying.
hold it?
Alright, well, there. One long.
Reloading.
Get fake Rooney.
Where are you?
Maybe
Yeah, they're calling
intentionally got
another
knife.
team.
Compy.
It's a really bad eye, actually.
Enemy down. Reloading.
I'm low. There's a
That's
Cypher trying to get a B lurk.
They're gonna re-hit A. It's just an A re-hit.
I have one smoke, smoking long.
Long. Ow.
I'm 1 HP, you can let me get those.
TP it
60
up.
right now. Omen TP'd heaven. I'm TP'd heaven.
1 HP. 1 HP right now.
I don't know.
Last player standing.
Reyna's
Two
1
fighting.
HP. Reyna's
Spike
1.
down.
So,
A.
Literally
30
1.
jet.
Dude, fuck, he overheals.
Oh.
Reyna's 1.
Spike planted.
Done, he's purchased.
Should I?
Let's ruin their
This is
day.
so stupid, dude. This is actually so dumb. The re-hit's so fucking obvious. Wait, buy?
I can buy next. We can save. I think they're gonna go C.
Did
I'm
you
gonna
bring
play
your
C with
entire
you.
setup to LA? I'm not in LA right now. And no, I didn't.
Knife A again.
I'm about to rush C. I'm about to dick them down.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what? They just said shit, they're good?
Really
C. C.
I'm hiding here, I'm hiding here, I'm hiding
I'll
here.
wait for you.
Coming to
Rushing,
fight,
rushing.
I'm fighting.
They're rushing no matter what. They're still rushing.
They stopped.
Wait, now they stopped. They're coming still. They're right in front of the smoke.
I threw smoke.
Really? Now they chill? No, man.
Coin flip walking up A, coin flip.
They deserve it. They deserve it.
I shot.
One more. Running.
Maybe
They're
go back
still
C.
C.
Maybe go back
Running
C.
up. One.
Begins.
C. They're rushing. One's crush. Cypher crush. Look at this.
He can't.
Look at this scaling.
Last player standing.
Oh, nice.
I'm getting mad, bro.
No, chill. I'll farm them.
Like us, but are they us?
Fucking.
I'm gonna play.
I'm gonna turret down C and I'm gonna hold C.
Fuck, we don't have an op. We need an op. I have no initiator.
Cypher fucking Killjoy, man.
Come on.
What's up, Alfie?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get close.
Where are
Bomb drop it.
Heavy A.
Watch one.
Heavy A.
I can dog. Call it.
Cypher by
Tell you
C.
when.
Looking short. FB.
Dog.
Bring them down.
Cypher grass or C?
One's in the cubby.
Okay.
Heavy A
He's
long.
like grass
Putting
area, I'm
grass.
pretty sure.
In the garage.
Bring them down.
I was in.
Too long.
Smoking your long.
Killjoy
I'm
Reyna
one
here.
HP.
Killjoy Reyna A.
And Omen. All three.
I'm behind them. Cut him up.
Come sight. One's really close long. Do you have a flash?
Coin flip out a judge there, dude.
Just re-smoke long.
No smokes.
Or
They like re-hitting.
Can you knife here?
They're gonna re-hit now for sure.
Yeah,
they're gonna come for
walk
now
in,
for
they're gonna
sure.
walk in.
okay, what are you holding? Court?
You guys are good like this.
Sigsimp underscore
say?
just subscribed. S0
30
M
seconds left.
Short.
Boxing
Bounce
shot.
on.
One long, one short. One long, one short.
One
Long,
enemy
long.
remaining.
Stubborn to die.
Who the fuck is calling?
Zimp, thank you for the 2 months. Welcome back.
As much as this world hurt me, it's need a drop. Thank
Okay,
you.
drop
Go to
it.
stream right now and tell me who's calling.
Right now.
Generous.
Deafness.
I think I can. Hold on. I'm gonna walk down mid. Fine.
You smoke window or no?
No. Can you come hold my window?
I think. Or
Yeah, I got
bomb drop A, 2A.
Killjoy's grass.
Charlie just
Now we're
subscribed.
cooking. My ult's ready.
He's holding C. He's 1 HP. He's not running up. He's running away from C. Running away from C. You guys can repush C. One guy repush C, the rest of you can stack A or B.
Shit, what is that?
I'll go see.
No.
Dude, he
You can run it.
reswung
KG
window.
just subscribed.
Killjoy is 1
Free
HP.
virusing
Bottom
Reyna
C,
if
but
I
he
get
looked
it.
like he ran away.
He smoked it. He smoked it. He flashed it. Walking
Omen
A,
Killjoy,
jet in it.
Omen
Killjoy,
Killjoy.
yeah. No. God. I calmed this 25
Is it
seconds
better?
ago.
it.
1 HP. Killjoy is 1 HP.
I'm gonna smoke long
He-
and short.
Yeah, smoke long. I. You can flash out.
Smoke
You
down.
ready? One hell. Flying. Dogging. One hell.
Killjoy is 1. Killjoy is 1, guys.
One enemy
Bring
remaining.
backside, backside.
Last player standing.
Nice.
So far.
I think
The diff is crazy. This guy's sitting here fucking holding. Like, what a fucking absolute dickhead.
What a fucking dickhead.
Don't do that kind of shit, bro. Not in a ranked game. Should be thinking with the prime.
I'm the last thing they'll see
EIU
before
lineup?
they die. Lucky them.
I made that my own.
Shit, I'll fuck with
Need a
that.
drop. Thank you.
I think it's something similar though.
I'll play with you. Gonna insta
Ults.
tether, eh?
Omen's gonna ult heaven, maybe. They're gonna save here, though.
Yeah. If he ults, I'll die it.
Yeah. I don't think he'll ult this round.
Smoke.
Catch them.
C split.
I'm in ulted.
Nope.
hear it?
He's not C. I don't know where you want. Ulted.
Cancel.
You
Cancel.
cancel.
I don't hear it. I don't hear it.
What a fucking
My
loser,
ult's
dude.
And low. 132 healing, motherfucker,
enemy
healing.
remaining.
This guy
Nice.
ulted last.
Spike down. C.
Cancelled, yeah, he's bottom C, probably.
Dude, coin flip's
Oh,
sitting
yeah.
outside A when they're hitting
What's
C.
up, Miju? How are you? Or Mihu? I don't know how you say it.
I kind of want to play somewhere else.
Thanks.
Garage.
It's fine. Have Killjoy play A. John can play
My pleasure. They have nothing for my ults. Nothing.
Run,
Absolutely nothing. They might go for orb here.
I'm gonna walk down C
Charlie
then.
just subscribed.
I've already done it, and I got killed.
Bang drop, thank you for the prime. Codeine, thank you for the 4 months. Audio's fucked. Easy.
Easy, Nrg.
He's
more.
tagged little
Inside.
Hold B, Brim.
Hold on, Jao. I'll fix it for you.
Nice.
jet suit. I'm holding.
Wait. No, dude. My capture card broke. No, dude. So sorry. There we go.
It looked like he was going towards it.
Keep holding my short.
I got short still. They smoked it. I could walk out.
All our B and C's open.
Audio's cookie. Okay, you guys gotta deal
Still
with it
see
for this
nothing
round.
long.
You guys see
can
only
long, yeah.
gameplay shit audio for this round.
One enemy remaining.
Garage window.
Sorry about B.
Nice.
Teeth will chatter.
Later,
here,
Cystic.
cold and-
He'll do
Have a
A
great
control.
night.
Yeah, kill your ult.
I do too. If he
Audio
ults,
fixed
I'll
or
ult.
no?
It's fine. I'll ult here if he ults.
Next time. Hold on. I gotta shit on Tarek real quick.
Can someone play towards C?
I got it.
Rem, you play it.
I was fixing that mid round.
I'll play garage.
I could have gone for a clip, but no.
I won't play rotate.
Fix it, stripper. Fix it.
Get out of my way.
Nope, not a.
Reyna C long, she just tagged me.
Work my alarm bot long.
I think I'm gonna walk down.
It's fine. I'm gonna let them have A and retake.
One window. One window.
You have knife or anything?
No, no,
Okay.
no knife.
What's that?
It's A. It's A.
You have molly lineup?
He's in. Rush me, rush me. Oh my
Hello?
god. Nice. Good kill, good kill.
One is sewer.
You have
Keep
molly.
flanking, just keep flanking. Can you get fast retake?
know I'm
Fake?
flanking,
Fake,
no.
fake.
Yeah,
Don't run in.
well,
Do not.
They know I'm
never mind.
flanking.
Kill this gush, kill this gush. Kill this gush. Graffiti, graffiti,
right.
swing wide, swing wide. Unknown, didn't never saw him.
He also
Flank.
flank, flank. No.
88.
Tell me
He's
if he's
not
running
out
at
yet.
me.
He's running at you, running
Running
at you,
at-
running at you. Graffiti, graffiti.
I kind of
Oh,
threw.
Oh my god, dude. That guy should just let you
Remember
defuse
to
and
talk
play
to each other
safer.
out there.
yeah.
Communicate.
How'd you fix the audio? I just deactivated and activated
Killjoy
my capture
still.
card. Dude, fuck, man. They have double
can play
sentinel.
again.
You killed Cypher, I was gonna flank, and there's an alarm bot.
It didn't even matter. We should have won this round clean.
Yeah. Alright. Fuck, man. I
someone
was
could
dialed
buy you.
in. Now I'm not dialed in no more. Fuck you,
Oh,
chat.
no way Sarge just made this play. What a fucking scrim play. Respect. Can't even hate on that.
One suppressed.
Oh god.
I'm leaving.
I have Killjoy ult. Reyna bottom
That's
two.
garage on there.
Are they in garage?
No, not in yet. Jet's low.
Look at this
He is
default that's being run here.
Just walking in.
They
Window.
smoked.
Right down.
A2. Fuck!
Go on A, go on A,
I
go
think
on
it's
A.
more.
A2. They have Killjoy ult. They're going to ult right now. It's Cypher and Cypher and Omen in. Should walk in.
I know exactly. You should run.
Am I?
One under Brow. Cypher. Never mind. Please default.
Reloading.
No man.
I'm going heaven with you.
Yeah, I'm about to get detained. I'm fucking.
Push
kill.
spawn, he pushed spawn.
One default, one default.
2 default then, no?
Suck.
Enemy remaining.
Bomb down.
Spike down
Close spawn, close spawn, close spawn.
Oh, thank you guys. Fucking trolling.
Reloading.
Stay alive.
How do I say your name?
I want their
Agenia?
life,
Appreciate
not
that.
yours.
I baited you so far. I secured the bag.
It's all good. If I get RR, I'm happy. If I don't,
Yeah, can you eye long right now? I'm gonna walk up long. I'm gonna put alarm bot here,
okay.
and I'm gonna put a turret here, and then I just need you to eye long and then spot it.
No prisoners.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, Osa anymore? Nah.
Oh my goodness.
ABC.
One window.
You want me to leave or keep spotting?
Let's keep spotting, yeah. My turret also has it if you need to leave.
One
Oh,
C
this is
long,
a
one
hard
C long.
walk-in.
Leave.
Two in garage, running in garage.
In,
Three
in.
garage. One more, in window, in
Nice.
window.
Cypher's coming up mid.
Get out.
One's in
Cypher's-
window, Brim. Might be flanking you, Brim.
Oh, he's here. Cypher sewer, running up.
Running up long and then CT jet.
Cypher sewer.
2 on C.
One more spot.
One enemy remaining.
We have bomb.
He's canceled. You got it. Nice.
Nice.
What do you guys see what I'm seeing?
Their lives are so
God damn it, he
meaningless.
has an off.
Might as well give them to me.
He's definitely gonna go mid. You just wanna fight mid.
Fuck, this guy has an off.
You wanna fight
Yeah, I'm
him?
gonna do a hard fucking Giga Chad swing garage.
There.
If he's opping here, he deserves it. Fuck!
Do you want me to eye like something?
Nah, you guys should just
Hold
walk
window
down.
too.
You
I'm
guys should
gonna
just walk
down.
down.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down.
I'm just gonna wide swing garage.
Here,
If
let me
he's
walk
opping
up.
here,
Let me
it's
walk.
unlucky.
Let me walk.
Oh, you wanna
Windows
walk?
smoke or not?
Yeah.
So
No,
no. So cringe, Derek opping.
TP across.
Asuna
One more,
underscore pug just subscribed. Best streamer.
He's opping long, man. This is a fucking joke. They're A. They're A. 2. Omen and Jet are A. Omen probably in already. I think he might already be heaven.
KO2 just subscribed.
Or
W
close to you.
They're waiting on something.
Killjoy maybe, just waiting on him to get back. I don't think he's not.
that's
Yeah,
good
they're
though.
running it.
Yeah, they're going A, all three. They have an op.
He's
Yeah,
held.
Give us
But Omen, I can see.
giving us a
planted.
smoke that covers backside.
Light deployed. One
One
suppressed.
close.
Close.
I'm flashing. I'm flashing.
I'll swing graffiti.
Last player standing.
Okay. I'm playing retake with my ult, it's fine. Holy fucking so annoying.
Make their fear your weapon. Or use a
Fine.
gun.
Off every round off.
It's underscore
Up long then, up long,
Diane
up long.
just
Done,
subscribed.
done.
Okay,
It's
we have
Zane, they really
Me, Reyna,
I can buy you
runs.
if you want full.
me, Reyna have it.
Sure.
Actually, no.
Need a drop.
I can't. Yeah.
Anyone feeling generous?
Actually, give me.
Every day off, every day off, every day. Just off. My name is Tarek. I get on stream and I
I'm gonna
off
listen
all
to you.
day. I want to make sure everyone learns how to off.
Turn out.
One front grab. One grab.
Yeah.
Pop up.
Destroyed.
Want to
Someone
play?
rotate
Let's
towards.
fucking play. I'm done spotting long.
I'm serious.
See long lurk dead. Must smoke mid window.
Bomb grenade out.
Watch out front
Walk
B.
up on you.
Yeah, I'm holding it. He cage. Not a good one though. He's still front B. Do another one. Do both cages. You pop
Coming
the
back
second
towards
one.
garage.
This guy's giving me a play-by-play what the Cyphers do. They're a
Walked
cage,
up
do
window,
another cage.
and they're a window again.
Oh, slung one.
One off.
Gonna come back to you, maybe.
Can you spot?
Placing sentry.
Yeah, on that loser beat right now, eh? You falling asleep or not?
Like, actually,
Front
dude.
B.
They're just gonna walk somewhere. At the top.
30 seconds left.
And
Come on,
Reyna's in freaking set.
Got both. Got both. One
Hey,
Pushing you,
walking in.
push.
One enemy remaining. Spike planted.
Look at Tarek, man.
Double up, I don't care.
You're bring that. Get that shit, bro. Wait, stop.
I will op every round. Anytime I can
You wanna
buy
get
an
Grandma
op, I
A?
will op.
I think we should. We ult.
Match point. Their spirit is
You can op A?
Now shatter it.
I was gonna up
Tom,
C.
you come
gonna
in?
op A.
Yeah.
Gotta get this ult for you.
I said Tarek.
Yeah, I should have ran. I didn't want to just run into him and die to a shorty. Honestly, I was kind of scared of that. I thought he saw me. So I was a little afraid. The jet. Not going to lie.
Should I smoke this or anything? Or should I just grab
Yeah,
it?
three are broke, and they have knives in one.
I'll find you.
I'll try to break the.
My ult's ready.
Mark two.
No, two. Fuck, I
Weird.
missed that.
Gonna rush A. Sake.
I give up B.
I'd be.
I took their. They have two guns now and knives.
Stack A. Just keep stack A.
You have Killjoy
They're gonna
ult.
Killjoy ult.
You can just brim ult it.
What? Out of charges.
Okay.
One more B, one more B.
Smoke front B right now.
Oh!
Yeah, still.
Walking up A.
That's life for the boy.
Marked one.
Not fun getting off, is it? Sewers and
Walk,
yours.
walk,
Sewers
walk.
and long. Sewers and long.
One enemy
You
remaining.
are-
Give me time. Let me close that game out with
What's
a
wrong?
Who's
It's
saying
not
what?
fun getting off,
Who
is
is
it?
saying what?
It's not fun getting
not
off,
fun,
is it?
It's not fun, right,
It's not
Tarek?
that fun, right? Getting
Dude,
off?
how did Tarek's exact reaction? Dude, how does it get me, dude? Dude, how? Sit there, bro.